Wall Street trying to avoid another major dip today after yesterday marked the worst day for U.S. markets so far this year. But with more tariffs set to go into effect tomorrow and a government funding deadline approaching Friday, it could be another rough day. NBC's Alice Barr explains why the White House insists the pain will be worth it.
After a rough day on Wall Street, with investors selling off stocks over fears a Trump trade war could tip the country into a recession, the White House downplaying what it called the animal spirits of the stock market, putting out a list of 50 wins in 50 days and pointing to business leaders' support. That, as President Trump on Sunday did not rule out a recession this year.
I hate to predict things like that. There is a period of transition.
Later adding,
we're going to take in hundreds of billions of dollars in tariffs, and we're going to become so rich.
After the president hit top trading partners with new tariffs, China striking back with its own tariffs on U.S. agriculture products, everything from chicken, wheat, and corn to soybeans.
You're going to have a lot of farms that go out of business and aren't able to continue on the current trajectory.
Canada issuing retaliatory tariffs, and now the province of Ontario hiking electric rates for 1.5 million Americans who rely on Canadian power exports.
If the United States escalates, I will not hesitate to shut the electricity off completely.
On Capitol Hill, lawmakers sparring over the Trump administration's policies.
Donald Trump and House Republicans are crashing the economy and hurting hard-working American families.
I believe that the policies that we're putting forth are going to improve the economy and bring down costs for people. It takes a little while.
That as lawmakers work to pass a funding bill by Friday to prevent a government shutdown that would only add to economic uncertainty. A short-term government funding bill made it out of committee last night, and the full House is expected to vote later today. The Senate is the bigger challenge, where 7 Democrats would have to get on board, many voicing opposition and looking for a way to flex some political muscle in the face of the Trump administration's rapid changes. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.